Bitch, this my house. This my house. Y'all can't. I'm finna record this. Record this.
Stop. Let's go. 324 Alpha, one ran inside. Hey, jump that. Hey, over here. Watch the front. Skipping.
Hey, come here. No, him. Turn around, put your hands on my back. Okay. Hey, come here. Come here.
Don't let them fucking near me, cause that's fucking crazy, sir.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
They chasing with a gun.
They kicking my mama.
They chasing with a gun. Why are y'all doing this?
They got that big ass gun on me.
Hey, he's back out front. He's back out front.
He didn't do what's going on.
You gonna help my mama, sir, please? I promise I'll stay right here.
Y'all in our house!
Record this, Nana.
I'm recording.
Record this, Nana. Oh my God.
I'm telling. Leave my mother alone. Y'all are going. I'm recording all of this. You bitches are going to jail, you fucking pigs.
Where?
What are y'all doing?
I'm right here. Okay.
He got me. All right, get out.
Let's go. Back on my mama.
Oh my God. What is going on?
She needs to just knock it off.
What's going on?
What the fuck? This is my house.
Sit down.
What is y'all doing?
Sit down.
What's going on?
Hey, stop.
What the fuck? This is my house.
Hey, you're okay. I'm just making sure everybody stays inside.
I'm with you. Do what they say.
Sit down. Sit down.
I feel safe with him. I'm not letting you go, sir. I'm not letting you go. I'm not letting you go. I'm not letting you go, sir.
She did nothing.
Please don't let him near me. Please don't let him near me. Come on.
Tie, knock it off. Tie.
Don't let me go.
Here, sit up. Roll over this way. Roll over this way. Let's go this way. Hey.
Go this way.
Okay, there's rocks. You can't go that way. You can't go that way.
There you
go. Okay. Okay, sit up. Sit up. Sit up.
Can you undo this?
Right there.
Can you come look what they
Just sit right there.
No, can you sit me up? Well, I want you to walk in my house.
You're sitting up.
Can you take this off of my mama? Take that off of her.
I have to
Can you
to do it, okay?
Did you have that on record?
Yes, I got all of it on record. And y'all
Look what they did to my house.
Okay, you had somebody run inside, running away from them, okay?
I didn't know, but what I'm saying is they threw me in the wall in my house.
Okay, were you in their way? Were you trying to keep us from getting to them?
No,
when they were running from us?
they came to my house and I said, can you stand me up? Can you stand me up?
Let's just stay right there just a second, okay?
I need to stand up.
Okay,
I need to stand up.
Tuck this leg up underneath.
Oh my
Can you tuck
God.
this leg?
I just started my job.
She didn't even do nothing.